Today's video, we are going to be in Animal Company to get the new update. I haven't posted in a while, but like, I'm trying to, oh my god, give me my, thank you, okay, going, see, come on, I played it like, no I haven't played it, but like, I know because I see one of my friends play it, so yeah. See how I can't review because I can't really be on for a while, but oh, look at all this stuff. Ski. This is shoe. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go and room time. I like skiing. This is the teacher. Come on, give me. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, I couldn't go bowling, bro. Let's get it, man. You see that spring right there? I'm going for that spring. One-handed, boys. Oh, dang it. Okay, two-handed, I guess. Come on. Make it. Yeah, I definitely didn't. Oh, dang it. You saw nothing, I'm definitely. Dang it, what the heck? Yeah, I definitely didn't want it. Oh, I need it, guys. I definitely need it. First try. Now, I'm gonna look at the. I don't know what that is, but let's go check it. One-handed. And boost. I think it was boost. Yeah, it was boost. Oh, I found my boost. No, go for the other boost. I see a bomb. Yeah, boys. Wait, why is it all ice? Wait, where's all the new tech? Did I travel back in time? I think I'm seeing things. See you guys in the next video. Wait, oh. Yeah, I'm not dying. I'm not dying. Okay, I need to get rid of this illusion. Hey guys, see y'all in the next video. But like, ugh, I'm gonna end myself. I can't. It's like, I don't know how to get back. So, yeah, it's just. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to get out. There's no computer. And There's that. There's this. What is this? It says, please attack wheel. What do you mean? Reel? What's a reel? No. Oh my god. Get back. What's a reel? Gadgets. Is this a reel? I don't know what to do. See y'all in the next video. Bye bye. I'm a ghost. I'm a ghosty. Ka-ching, guys. See y'all in the next video. Oh, my dead body. Get back here. No!